in its unit place. So the word unit. So unit stands for 1. So unit stands for 1, O-N-E, 1. Is it? That's why you say the standard quantity means the unit as its numeric value as 1. As we just got from here, we just go out of this because we were supposed to know why it was called a unit that I was explaining. Now say you read just now that length was 5 centimeter. How it is 5 centimeter meaningful? How is it meaningful? It is meaningful like 5 is a numeric value. Multiply with this centimeter stands for 1 centimeter. That's why 5 is called the numeric value. That is called n. And this 1 centimeter as a whole is called u. It means length happened to be, this length of the body happened to be 1 centimeter added to 1 centimeter to added 1 centimeter added 1 centimeter added 1 centimeter. That is 5 times this unit was added. So it is called a unit. It is added 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. That means if there is a scale of value 1 centimeter, you can measure a length of 5 centimeter body by placing it one by one at 5 points, at one by one at every ending point. Then only this scale will get you the 5 centimeter length. So is the meaning actually called what? Length is numeric value into unit. Unit is centimeter because we never use the term 1, but 1 is there. 1 is there. So 1 centimeter is 1. This 1 cannot be replaced by any other number. Centimeter with, I have written 1, that means this 1 cannot be replaced. You cannot write 2 centimeter over there or 3 centimeter over there. If it is, say, force is equal to, you say 5N. Why 5? Say 25N. 25 Newton is the value of force. That means it is 25 times of the unit of force value as of 1 Newton. That is 1 Newton force is applied at one time. Then if 25 same unit value is applied to the body will be under the effect of 25 Newton. So is the meaning that how many times in the definition, go to the definition again. How many times the standard quantity, that is unit, is contained in the physical quantity. The physical quantity of force is containing 25 times of its unit as 1 Newton. What is that? Force quantity, physical quantity called force, is containing the unit 1 Newton 25 times. Light, because brightness is the parental term of lightness, is always the brightness is always the light. So brightness of light is called the luminous intensity. Okay. Then comes electric current. Current, you will read. Electric current is the time rate of flow of electricity, time rate of flow of electrical charge, or you can say the rate of flow of electrical charge with respect to time is called electric current. As it was coming on requirement, on demand, one after the other, these were also classified. So, these three and one is there, that is called quantity of substances. Quantity of substances means it is a scale, it is a measurement, it is a scale value. So it is quantity of substance. A substance has got its quantity. Substance is the thing which a body is made of. As I am having this piece of chalk which is chemically called, what is called? Chalk is calcium carbonate. So quantity of calcium carbonate present in that per unit gram, per unit mass will be called its quantity of substance. So it is the last one as such in the series, that 4 more, that is temperature, fourth one, luminous intensity, the brightness of any light, electrical current, the rate of flow of electrical charge, and the quantity of substance, the substance present in a matter which it is required, and its scale value is per unit gram. And then comes these four. These four were joined later. So in the second phase, after primary level, these were added as per requirement. Then there was required some more physical quantities as your fundamental one, and they were called angle and solid angle. They were also required. So they were called in the last. They were complementary fundamental angles, fundamental quantities. Complementary means they were highly required to make the series a complete one. So altogether, we got 9 over here. Length, mass, time as primary. Later on added as temperature, luminous intensity, electric current, and quantity of substance. And lastly, we are seeing that angle and solid angle, as they are called the complementary physical quantity or complementary fundamental quantity. They make a complete series of 9 numbered so far fundamental quantities. They have got their units as well. As we refer to SI, that is Standard International Unit as such, which is acceptable globally, that is standard value. That is the length. Length is named as value called meter. It is written with a small letter, that is important to note, and its symbol is M. Mass is kilogram. Its symbol is kg with the small letters. Time is said to be second, so its symbol is a small letter s. Temperature, the term is Kelvin, though Kelvin you write with the small letter, but its symbol should be a capital letter K, because Kelvin was name of the scientist. In his honor, this temperature unit is chosen. So its expression type is, in honor of the scientist, it is capital letter K. But mind, when you write the full word, you will write it in small letter start. Start with the small letters. So is the luminous intensity. It is called candela. Candela, written as CD. Electric current. Again coming, electric current, as ampere, by the name of the scientist, in honor. Obviously, its symbol of expression should be capital letter A. Quantity of substance is called MOLE, mole.